Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. In today's video, I have a couple of tips on how to check your pins and how to move your pins around easily, and how to check where your pin was pinned or etc. So if you see here on my main profile, when you log into your Pinterest account, you can have here the little buttons like to see the statistics, etc. This is my latest pin, so we're checking now, as you can see, on created, not save. So because this one that just got out, obviously. So what you can see here, if you can click the button here with the dots, you can see where that pin was pinned, and you can see the image, or if you want to report on and follow this board, whatever, and then check more statistics. You can actually click here, and then you can send the copy of the link to any of the boards, or send it to a specific follower, or somebody you follow, somebody who is following you. So this is a couple of tips on based on the latest changes of platform, because you can see Pinterest is changing every day. Then we're going to save, and then again we can check which one of our boards, for example, have the latest pin. And then we can go to our latest, I just choose email marketing, for example. As you can see, these ones are the latest ones. And again, first of all, you can use Tailwind, and I'm not talking about now scheduling, right? I'm talking about how to do it manually. So I'm talking about how to do things manually. So you click here, and then you have different options here. You can click here on the button where to save, and then you can choose which board you should save it, or secret board, whatever you want to save it. And it's easy. And then again, remember, when you click on the main here, I can choose a board for a second. I can do that. Save it to one board. Now, we talk about how you write notes to your pins, but also what you can do here is to press here. You can have all the details you need, allow the comments, edit the pin if you want. You press edit the pin, and then you can add anything like new keywords, and you can actually update your pins if you want to, because things are changed all the time. So this is a couple of examples of how to move your pins around. Of course, if you use a scheduler, you can do it using a scheduler, but we're just talking about manually how to do it from your board. I mean, you can choose a couple of those, and then you can move it around. As you can see here, you can organize your board, and this is easy. The easiest way for you, to save and move or delete your pin. So you can actually use the same way. If you want to delete your pin, you just click, and then if you want to delete your pin, you can delete your pin. I never delete pins, and you shouldn't be deleting pins. So that's it for today. Keep an eye on more videos, and I hope you enjoy this video, and click the button to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video, and I wish you well.